This is unboxing of watch case press that I bought for use with my wife crappy watches. It's it should be better quality press than so basically this is cheapest press tool, and this is little more expensive and should be better, but it kind of failed at first try. Let's see why. Then I tried second watch and pressed a little stronger, and on unscrewing hand unscrewed instead of watch hand was unscrewed and watch got stuck. Luckily I had some adhesive for screws, and I applied adhesive on the hand, leave it 1 hour, and after 1 hour I managed to unscrew the watch. So this is watch press tool for $22, $7 shipping, basically $30 tool. I think it's a solid built tool, but there is a chance that it will fail on you, so I cannot recommend it buying it, but I think it's okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.